Residents of Lapangap village have resumed harvesting their standing paddy crop nearly 2 weeks after abandoning their fields in the wake of a violent clash involving villagers from Tahpat in West Karbi Anglong, Assam, which led to the death of one person. Before moving to the fields in Pynthor Lapangap, villagers held a public gathering at the village football ground to await the outcome of the peace talks held at Khanduli between officials of both governments and traditional leaders from both sides. The meeting was attended by representatives from West Hills and Lapangap, as well as leaders from West Karbi Anglong and Tahpat. Following the deliberations, residents of Lapangap, accompanied by villagers from neighboring settlements, proceeded to the fields at around 10:15 a.m. to begin the harvest. Leaders from the Sinjuk Nongri Jantia, along with members of the FKJGP, KSU and JSU were also present to show solidarity with the farmers. Security personnel from both Assam and Meghalaya were deployed in the area to ensure smooth and peaceful harvesting operations. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of the FKJGP West Hills Unit, Nangkraubo Rani, said that members of the Federation had come to accompany and support the farmers as they returned to their fields. He alleged that the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council had failed to intervene since the beginning of the dispute between the Karbi residents and the people of Lapangap, and remarked that if the council continued to remain inactive, its members should consider stepping down. Rani further stated that the organization had earlier approached Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister Preston Tinsong seeking a temporary police camp at Lapangap to prevent further tensions, but no such arrangement had yet been made. He urged upon the state government to immediately set up the camp to deter any recurrence of conflict between the communities on either side of the border.
Nakaliang jongi jong ka FKGP mentara singi ngilaiwan sini sapo Lapangap banwan seran banwan pencingan ki nongsong sinong jong ki Lapangap sini banit ot yukuba adien ba layo adien balai don kata kajingnya keren arliang banyo ot yukuba te nadu to por baladon do jingjia hi ni nilaiwan hi ban pencingan sini ngilaiwan ban ai mensim ki parado parasnam jongi badan hangni hapo Lapangap te Kamisi kabalong ba ya ka sorkar jela jongi kalong ba juliak kelut na kuwi kapor bat kadaw hiru kalong ba makapendam ha sorkar jong ka Assam te nakaliang jong ka GHDC ru hadu bapoy ni pot ru bat hadu kani ka kenta ka pamenta kampat wan hi banyu kecap bat ka kampat keren hiru ya kani ka issue hadu menta dengan slogan condemn ya ka GHDC ba member jong JDC ba kum kani ke issue da kimla ban ai ngas ngoban ong ki klabhai ki bakin herno na suki ka ki don te kumta hi ni layai budin hi kani issue ni lawan ki meeting labon teli ki meeting ki ba ada pelong hang te hapo BOP ha Khanduli ban ya keren ya na bentar kani issue. Yes, kawai ru na nadu to por bangila da banwan kendu yo Preston song but iki ba hakajing don lang but ki wai ki kenhun para seng balang nila da ban kentu yo ban bu ya ka temporary camp hang ni hapo Lapangap henry lada jeno to por undala bu ya to camp ngatrai kum kini gijingja kinamja kumni te ngasuban banjor biang hiru ka sorkar ba sobha Mday siyo ban up la siya nila nunuro henry bu no mardor ya temporary camp hangni hapo Lapangap.